So what happened, guys? The previous computer suddenly just locked her out.
So it's this way up, so it shouldn't even be on its side. Neatly though.
We're seeing another box.
I think that's how I packed it.
Yeah.
Like the CM thing, man. Didn't even open it. I bet you they didn't even open it.
What are you doing? Well, why would you put it down to pull it out?
Because it says up.
We can't fuck it. And what do you do now? It wasn't smart.
It is smart. Okay.
Yeah, that was smart. Jesus Christ. Told you that wasn't smart.
We want me to take the box, chop you with it.
But I warned you not to do like that. Tell me why it's a smart idea. Look, the lamp almost pop off.
This is a water.
Alexa, turn on dining light.
Why's it taking so long?
It says made in China.
You still can't see yet.
Oh my god, this is just like fighting to get in it.
It is. The same one.
No.
It is.
Ah,
Yeah.
it shocked me.
Yeah. Upper product. I mean, upper product. I mean,
What are you on about?
products like this. So there's no paperwork. Yeah, we come with no paper. This is.
I don't even know if it's a new one or not. The only way I'd know from the serial number.
You can look at the screen and say if the screen's dirty.
Probably polished it before they put it back in.
I think they replaced it.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's new.
Yeah, I think they replaced it.
Well, we'll find out. If my stuff is still on it, then no, it's new. It's got stickers everywhere.
That's what I just said. They replaced it.
So I finally stopped working on this laptop.
How much are the blinds show?
Yeah, that's new. I can see it's new.
So what happened, guys? The previous computer suddenly just locked her out.
It just said, nah.
And so the C drive is corrupt.
Well, I've never seen nothing like that.
So thank God for warranty.
Yeah.
It seems as if they just replaced it rather than fixing it.
Oops, sorry. It really does seem that way.
So let's hope.
This is so heavy. Big and heavy.
So obviously if you do graphics and stuff like that, you know, these kind of computers for graphics.
Mommy, is that one the new one?
She just throws herself down the stairs.
How is this foam? It's so hard. Daddy, how is this foam? It's so hard.
Yeah, this is definitely new. It's got plastic in places I can't even get off. Anyway, let's just see how it looks.
But there's no paperwork that accompanies it.
They'll probably email me. I'll have to check my emails and see. Where's the plug?
Daddy, why would they put this if you can't?
Did you send the plug?
Yeah, I did.
They didn't send it back.
Oh, seriously?
They didn't send the plug back.
How am I supposed to turn it on?
Didn't they say not to send the plug?
But I sent it.
So the PC's been replaced. Obviously, the power lead was sent with the old one, and it didn't come back. So we're still not going to be able to turn it on. We might have to buy one from Amazon.
After Curry's.
I don't think Curry's going to sell a cable just like that.
Should do.
No, not cable.
It's a nasty adapter, isn't it?
It's not normal, no, it's no.
It's just a...
So, did you get through to them then, darling?
I did.
So, what's the outcome?
They're sending a new power cable. However, it could take 3 to 5 working days. So not 3 to 5 days. Remember, it's Thursday. Yeah. This is going to be torture for me. Tomorrow is Friday.
Guys, really and truly, it's her fault, but I'll let her continue.
It's not my fault.
It is your fault.
What they said, guys, was that they would have sent the power cord anyway, but however, because it doesn't exist in the UK, it's coming from Germany. So that's why it would have taken 7 to 10 days for me to receive the cord.
I told her not to send the original cord. Don't talk over me.
By me phoning up, you're talking over me first. By me phoning up, they're now going to send it within 3 to 5 days.
How is it that you had no power cable?
Guys, if you buy something, yeah, say it's a TV, yeah, it comes with a cable, you know that thing's got to go for repair. You're going to be like, let me give back what I get in the box. I got the computer with the thing. They did say don't send any accessories. To me, an accessory is something that's accessory to the device.
I told her not to send not to send anything.
The power cord works with the monitor. So to me, that's not an accessory.
And her husband told her not to send anything but the computer itself. But Miss Farsi decided...
Have you ever repaired anything?
But I know how it works.
But have you ever sent anything
to
repair?
You see, now you need a power cable. Now you have to wait for Germany. A power cable has to come from Germany so you can power up your computer. That's going to take 2 weeks. If you listen to me, you'd have a power cable. I specifically said to her, do not send the cable.
Guys, it's not even that much of a thing because I do have a laptop. However, I prefer.
But you were just on the phone telling the woman you have bare stuff to do and you needed a power cable. And they're telling me now you're saying it's not.
Be honest. Have I been productive working?
No.
I've worked, but I've not been productive.
No.
Because I like my big screen to work on.
Yeah, and if you listen to me, you have it right now. We'll be powered up.
I have it right now. However, I don't
So
have
apologize
it, so
then.
I'm gonna have to use my laptop.
Apologize to me then.
Thank God I bought a laptop of the same spec as my
Apologize
PC.
to me then.
No. What am I apologizing to you for? Anyway.
Because you didn't listen to me. So you said sorry to me. I was right.
I didn't do anything to you, so I didn't say apologize.
Yeah, you did not listen to me. That's doing it to me.
In fact, I'd have to apologize to myself, not you, because I didn't listen.
Well, me come apologize to me first before yourself.
No, why do you need an apology? I'm the one who's suffering. You ain't suffering.
I am suffering.
Why are you suffering?
Because you didn't listen.
Well, I'm gonna do something.
I am doing something. Guys, I told her, do not send a power cable. But Miss Farsi decided to put it in there when I'm not looking.
My name is Mrs. Gordon.
She put the cable in there when she knows I'm not looking.
No, I didn't. You just wasn't interested. You didn't even help me lift it and put it in there. So you feel sorry to me. Because if you did help me put it in the box, then maybe I wouldn't have put the power cord in there. So actually, yes, that's correct. This is your fault. This is your fault. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So thank you for
yeah, because if you had helped me, I had to lift up the big heavy PC by myself to put in the box. If you did help me, then it wouldn't have gone. So that's your fault. That's it. I'm not even talking to you now.
Guys, you know them people that you tell them one thing and they go do them one thing, and they turn around and say, well, but. There you go.
Now, guys, comment down below if you think I'm right. If he had helped me, I had to lift up the. You saw, innit, how heavy the thing is.
Forget all of that.
I had to lift up the heavy thing and figure out how to get it in the box.
Forget all of that. But you see, if the power cable wasn't in the thing, it wouldn't be so heavy, would it?
If you had helped me, you would have said, "Nah, babe, what are you putting that in there for?"
But me tell you already.
Even nowhere to be seen. Him disappear. The minute me put something in there, he was gone, nowhere to be seen.
But you didn't need no help.
Like invisible man.
You didn't need no help, did you?
Clearly I did, because now I don't have a power cable.
But you don't need.
Wow, you didn't help me.
You don't need help not to put a power cable in the box.
If you was helping lift the thing to put in the box, I struggled, guys. I really struggled to get that thing in the box.
Oh, listen to
you.
If
he had helped me,
Miss.
If he had helped, you saw how I was struggling to get it out of the box. It was exactly the same way, right? I had to put in the thing and package it like that, and he did not even help me.
But according to
if you were there helping me, you would have said, don't put the didn't I tell you don't put the cord in?
Guys, according to the Bible, yeah, it says, "Ask and you shall receive." No, she didn't. She didn't ask. But if I'm not in your vicinity, am I supposed to know? No, but you said I was nowhere to be seen. So clearly, guys, I was not in the vicinity at the time.
He left the room. He disappeared.
I can't shout. My voice is actually going.
Disappearing.
You're making me shout. I can't do it. So clearly, I was not in the vicinity to help. Can you not, please? I'm talking to the people.
You walked out.
So clearly, I wasn't in the vicinity to help. All I'm saying, guys, I told her not to send it. She sent it. They've sent a new computer, and she can't power it up for another 2 weeks because the power cable has to come.
2 weeks and you have to 3 to 5 days.
The power cable has to come from Germany because there's nowhere to source these kind of power cable. Because this computer, the power cable is not standard power cable, so it has to come from the source, which is in Germany. So now she has to wait because she didn't listen. So the lesson for the day is listen to your husband.
You need a lesson. Help your
wife.
Wait,
I'm talking.
Help your wife.
The lesson for the day is listen to your husband.
Help
because
your wives.
Because husbands tend to have an idea of what they're talking about.
Yeah, and yet so you still left me for doing it by myself. Wow.
Listen, I'm talking to the people. You're making my voice go.
Wow.
Husband,
the Lord don't want you to talk much foolishness no more. That's why.
How about you could just cook the food for the kids? What are you cooking anyway?
Just some chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice?
Yep, literally just chicken and egg fried rice. Actually.
So she's doing egg fried rice and some chicken strip. Should be tasty.
Peri chicken, that's what we call it. Peri chicken.
Peri sauce on the chicken.
That's what, yeah, basically, because I can't bother to season that right now.
In our trusted ninja.
In the ninja.
We hardly use our oven these days.
Nah, it's not necessary.
Hardly.
This thing is brilliant.
This ninja thing, when she bought it, I was a bit skeptical about it.
Until he tasted the oxtail, because I did the oxtail in it very soon after we bought it. And then he was like, wow, it was falling off the bone.
And since then, all we probably do in the oven is probably pizza.
When I first bought it, he was like, why you buy this big old something come put on the counter? And
I did say I was a bit skeptical, so we don't need to go over the skepticism of...
conversation. and then he uses it more than me now.
Because it's so simple. You can do everything in it.
Yeah, it's really good. I would advise you guys, if you have children and you have limited time or you work a lot,
good for chips.
It's so good for cooking, stuffing.
Good for
just
chips.
Leave it, and there's no burning. I don't burn food no more. I used to burn.
Oh, because it's on a timer.
I used to forget the things in the oven all the time.
One good thing. That's good thing. It's on a timer, so there's no forgetting.
Yeah, and it beeps and it lets you know when things are ready, etc. But I've never burnt anything since having this. We've had it for two and a bit years now.
So get yourself a ninja.
Get a ninja.
Alright guys, don't forget the top lesson for the day is listen to your husband. Bye.